In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly archive contacts on Mailchimp. Archiving contacts is a useful way to manage your mailing list effectively, ensuring you're only reaching out to those who are most engaged with your content while keeping your list tidy and organized. This process is swift and straightforward, taking no more than a few minutes of your time, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. This is the starting point for all your Mailchimp activities, and it's important to ensure that your login credentials are secure to protect your data. Once you're logged in, navigate to the audience section, and from there click on all contacts. This section is your main hub for managing your subscriber list. Here, you'll find all your contacts along with information about their engagement level and other relevant details. Now, locate the specific contact you want to archive. This is particularly useful if you have contacts that are no longer engaging with your campaigns, or if you want to clean up your list for more accurate targeting. You can search for the contact using the search bar, or you can browse through the list to find them manually. When you have found the contact, click the checkbox next to their name. This is a crucial step as it allows you to select the contact you are aiming to archive. Be careful to ensure you're selecting the right contact, as this action may impact your communication strategy. Next, go to the Actions drop-down menu. This menu is your toolkit for contact management, offering various options to manage your contacts effectively. From this menu, select Archive. By doing this, you're moving the contact into an archived state, which effectively removes them from your active mailing list. If you're looking to archive multiple contacts at once, you can follow a similar procedure. Instead of selecting just one contact, you can check the boxes next to all the contacts you wish to archive. This is particularly useful for batch processing, saving you time and effort. Once you've made your selections, simply click on the Actions menu and select Archive, and Mailchimp will take care of the rest. And there you have it. You've successfully archived your contacts on Mailchimp. This process keeps your audience list up to date and ensures you maintain a healthy sender reputation by focusing on engaged recipients. Keep in mind that archiving is reversible, so should you need to, you can always restore archived contacts later. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.